I'm Stephanie, and I'm on the digital marketing team at WebAscender. I'm here with Kyle, one of our lead designers, and we're here today to talk about website accessibility. So, Kyle, thanks for joining me. And for our viewers, what is web accessibility for those people who might not know?
So, web accessibility is pretty much trying to reach the biggest audience, so all of your users. So, whether folks have limited sight, hearing, movement, cognitive abilities, you're essentially trying to make that experience the best for everyone, your full audience. So some folks might be using screen readers, they might be using other tools to assist them in browsing the web, but it's just trying to make sure that that experience is always good for everyone.
And what are maybe the top 2 things that you would recommend people do if they want to make sure their website is accessible to all users?
Sure. So the top 2 tips, one of the biggest things is actually just putting in a skip link. So that's something that you hear a lot, is adding a skip link to the website. Essentially what it allows you to do is skip all of your primary navigation and go straight to the content. So if you're browsing the web with a screen reader device, you don't want to necessarily hear all of those menu navigation items every single time you're on a new page. You want to be able to click on a link and then be able to then go and access the content. So definitely get a skip link included. That's one of the first, most basic things to make it more accessible. Then another thing that you can do is include what are ARIA roles, landmarks. So being able to include landmarks on the page, again, will assist a screen reader in order to kind of indicate what part of the page that you're browsing. So whether that's the header, the body, the footer, including those additional roles is really important. HTML5 will include kind of new element tags that will also provide some assistance when it comes to using a screen reader in order to indicate where you're on the page. But at this point in time, it's also important to include those additional roles because that will, again, make the experience more suitable for those folks that are using those assistive tools. So, yeah.
Awesome. Those are some great tips, Kyle. Thanks for hanging out with me today.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
All right, sounds good.